In the last video, I talked about 6 symptoms. If you have 3 or more, that means you have a little bit lower testosterone. We call that kidney yang deficient. What are those 6 symptoms? One is you have afternoon energy crashes. If you have cold hands and feet, even in the hot summer, if you have a lower back or knee soreness and weakness, not painful, but soreness, weakness, frequent urination, especially at night, despite your exercise, you will lose muscles. The last one is you have very, very low libido. Many of them don't have any. If you have 3 or more of these 6 symptoms, you might have, we call it kidney yin deficient and low testosterone. So this video, I'm going to talk about how to improve our testosterone naturally. Number one is build muscles. This is, for our age, I don't think wrinkles that matters anymore because, how I feel is more important. So when we're older, try not to pay attention with, how many wrinkles, how much weight I lose. You want to build your muscles. This is a very, very expensive muscles we are building because they need food, need energy, and also they really need consistency. So build muscles, first thing is you do the strength training 2 to 3 times a week minimum. People say, can I do it every day? Not really, because you want to do 2 times a week because you want the muscles get repaired with 1 day. If you start very slow, very minimum, very little weight, you can do 4 or 5 times because you do so little, just start to build up. I made the same mistake because I used to play a lot of tennis, but tennis is about a movement. It's really not so much about the muscles. My legs do have some muscles, but arms really, I don't. I start very, very late, but still never late. As long as you listen today, you want to start the strength training. You can get the band, you can get lightweight, even just handle your groceries or do your gardens. That's all called the strength training. I have a special video, a small video about no equipment. There is 4 movements. You want to do these 4 things, that's strength training also. So check it out if you're interested. Number 2, improve our kidney yang deficient is plenty protein. Many ladies, in my clinic and then people I knew, they want to lose weight, they want to look good, they eat so little. Of course, little means you have little veggies and little protein, little carbs, no carb. Many people don't eat carbs. Later, I'm going to make a special video talk about carbs. We need some carbs, not a whole lot, but we definitely need carbs. But protein, we need good protein. One lady asked me how I feel about these juice cleansers. People do 30 days juice cleanse. I don't really recommend at all. We menopausal women really need plenty proteins, good proteins. That means fish, healthy meats, lean meats, your tofu. We need good proteins. That's really our muscle blocks, building blocks. Without protein, if you eat very little, even eat very little protein, your body needs that protein to do the basic survival functions. So it doesn't really go to our muscles. And you lose weight, you don't eat enough, you lose your muscles. Because when you lose muscles, you lose the vitality. You won't feel good. So trust me, plenty proteins and also rainbow vegetables. I made many videos about this rainbow vegetables and also YouTube too. We need color. So protein, rainbow vegetables, and some carbs. That's absolutely we need to do. But one thing you could do is you want to move your dinner very, very early. Or some people do 2 meals. That I really suggest actually. Myself also, just to start a few months ago, actually me and my husband, we started to do 2 meals a day. I see great improvement because each meal we actually eat a little bit more than before because only 2 meals, but we focus on protein, vegetables, and boy, I tell you, one benefit is there is so much more time. Seems that 2 meals and 3 meals, we have so much extra time, which we loved. But 2 meals, that means from dinner until the next breakfast, you have long time for your body to do autophagy, to really give yourself enough time to do the cleansing and everything. But make sure when I say 2 meals, it's not the first one you eat in the afternoon and the second one in the midnight. That's not 2 meals. 2 meals, that means breakfast before 9, you have breakfast. The other one you can choose 4, 5, 6 o'clock anytime. This is the 2 meals, not late breakfast and late dinner. Number 3, to improve kidney yang deficient is protect your sleep. Good sleep. We need 6 to 8 hours sleep. I made many videos about how to improve sleep. It's very important because when you sleep, our body repair ourselves. Our muscle get repaired. Autophagy is starting. Our brain get repaired. Detox. Everything is working well when you sleep. It's not light sleep. You have to have 6 to 8 hours good sleep. That means you have to have those deep sleep time. And there's 2 formula, one tea, one formula, same name actually, is 酸枣仁汤 or 酸枣安神丸. If you're interested, comment on that. You will find out how to get it. Number 4 is reduce stress, reduce stress, reduce stress. This is my number 1 goal. If you reduce your stress, you will really protect many of your functions, your kidney, your spleen, and your liver. These 3 things are the very important during menopause, very important. I'm not saying heart and lung, they're not important, but especially reduce stress, protect this 3 organ system is super important during menopause. And how to reduce stress? There's one beautiful formula. It's called a 加味逍遥丸, and I made many videos about that. If you're interested, comment on stress, you will get that formula. And now I have a special formula, special tea for kidney yang. It's very effective, and many ladies already tried in the clinic. Only 2 herbs. One is Wang, one is Mai Dong. These 2 herbs, so effective. One is our Huang Qi astragalus. I call this our women youth herb. It give us kidney yang energy, give us warmness, and good for our facial, and boost our spleen yang deficient, and also is super good for our immune system. But because this herb has little heat character, we need Mai Dong, the other herbs, to balance it, give us little kidney yin energy, and also balance the heat down, so we could really absorb the heat. So these 2 herbs together make tea. You also can make different flavors, add little ginger or orange peel, whatever, to make it taste better. But this is the 2 main ingredients of this beautiful tea. And I would suggest people to do this 2 times a week. Not, you don't have to use it every day. And if you're interested, and leave comment, and you will find out exactly the tea dosage. I would say the same. You can use the same, but you use maybe 1 portion of astragalus and 3 portions of Mai Dong to balance them up. The next one is the most effective herbal formula for kidney yang deficient, low testosterone. It's called a 金匮肾气丸. This herbal formula already lasts for thousands of years. We call it a classic herbal formula. I use it every day, try to. It's warm, not like when you take testosterone treatment, you will get all these side effects, but it's warm, it slowly improve your kidney yang. We all know kidney yang or testosterone function is not something you could just really get to inject to your body and you will get it. Your body wouldn't tolerate. That's how Chinese herbal medicine is so beautiful and makes sense. That means they give you improvement little by little. So this way you don't have to worry about all the side effects. You don't have to worry about you have all this beard, all showed up. Kidney yang deficient is our vitality. You want to improve gently. So you will feel, some people will say, you always have beautiful skin. I said, I don't really do anything about my skin, but I do slowly take all the different herbs, rotate them. I don't take all in once. My supplements and herbs, that I rotate them, because if you have a good digestion, you don't have to take things every day, because you absorb herbs, supplements, almost like your food. You rotate it and your body will absorb accordingly. So 金匮肾气, you absolutely should start to take very low dosage, even you don't feel you have serious kidney yang deficient, because that will prevent you later. You will have longevity and you feel always energized. This is crucial. Many people, when they have adrenal problem, they will have symptoms called adrenal fatigue. This exactly is the low testosterone, yang deficient, is already like almost disease-wise. This adrenal fatigue is not a disease name, it's still a symptom, but it's very difficult to deal with. So 金匮肾气 is an excellent formula for this. We have a beautiful sunset tonight. Next popular question is, in the clinic, should I take testosterone treatment? My direct answer is no, because in the clinic, either you have really kidney yang deficient, or you call it low testosterone, and many people have adrenal fatigue. In the clinic, I do 3 categories to help them. We take adrenal supplements, support supplements. We take kidney yang herbs and formulas, and we also do protein, rainbow food, and muscle exercise, and also the sleeping, stress reduce. With these 3 categories, people get very good result. And I can tell you, we women produce very low testosterone compared to male. So with you taking testosterone directly, you have all these androgenic side effects, like acne, oil skin, thinning hair, bald, and then people will get a deeper voice, and your fat, will distribute weirdly. So with all this, you want to deal with, even you don't really notice the problem, you slowly improve your kidney yin during menopause or before menopause, and in the meantime improve kidney yang energy at the same time. You slowly will feel you not only have better energy, you look good, and you will feel your mental sharpness, your bone, your muscle, everything kind of improve together naturally. Because with herbs and supplements, you don't feel something punch into you and get your weird feeling, side effect. You feel your body, according to your body, slowly improved. This is absolutely is the beautiful part of Chinese medicine. When you take herbs, I always ask you take slowly, but once your body absorbs herbs, you will feel the energy slowly building up without noticing. It's not something you punch in your face, that kind of building. Improve is not about right away. It's about slowly but consistently and really build into your health. Okay, this is all for testosterone. And most importantly, our body is whole systems. Many systems work together beautifully. So find out which organ system of yours doesn't work well, is more important than chasing the newest supplements, how to lose weight, or take a hormone treatment to get rid of one symptom. this is in long run, you will get huge benefit. I'm Dr. Wang. If you're interested in certain herbs, and tell me exactly on the comment area, you'll find out how to get them. See you next time.